All right, let's check these stickers out first. Southpaw Pete. Oh, that's awesome. I don't have a Southpaw Pete sticker. And Lockpicking Paul. Cool. I like his Sugar Crystal decal logo. Sugar Crystal logo. That's awesome. That is awesome. I like the little spring there. Hooks. Shackles. That's sweet. Southpaw Pete. Oh, I like that lion. Who can't get behind a lion? Which is your favorite? God, that's hard. I really like the bronze look on this. But then I really like the, I wouldn't call it 3D, I guess X-ray? I'm going to say that's X-ray. X-ray. Really awesome logos.